To perform offline activation of your license after installing the software, you can click on About or Activate Now. Select Offline Activation and enter the software's username and password. Select No and click OK. Enter all of the required information. Browse for your serial number file. Select the serial number file and click Open. Download the UPK folder file. You can send this UPK file to a ZKTeco salesperson, or you can go to ZKTeco.com. Go to ZKTeco.com and navigate to License Activation. Create a profile or log into the website. Look for CVSecurity Offline Activation and click Activate. Select your serial number file. Select your UPK file. Click Download. In CVSecurity, press Next Step. Then select Browse License File. Select the license file. Click Open, and then OK. Offline activation is finished. All modules are now activated.